So on top of the Family Dollar roof, their entrance door is right here. So any of the leaks, or the major leaks over the winter time, would have been in this direction to the north. You can see an area here where the gutter there are some low areas where the roof might be ponding, and with an ice or snow buildup could back up over these, and perhaps some of these screw areas are leaking, but no smoking gun. If you look over the edge of the roof underneath, there are areas where maybe snow could get in or into the gutter and move. This gutter area, who knows if this fills up with stuff or not. You can see that goop was put all along here. Probably some of the work that Coppins or Borshi did. There could be some snow built up underneath this cap. This could be in the area that they had the leak before, and this was sealed off. That's up the beam a little bit. There's some minor cracks. Now we're beyond the Family Dollar space into the theater storage. Bottom line, there's no smoking gun. My opinion is that if we re-roofed from the HVAC unit or units down, that would eliminate the issues, including insulation. Maybe we re-roof by putting the insulation in between the ridges, and that will eliminate some of the ice damming issues because there won't be as much temperature variation. Family Dollar's responsible for their own HVAC maintenance, and this is a roof hatch, or a HVAC hatch, which I will report to them as being off. So whatever they're doing, this is an active unit, I believe. The filters look relatively clean, but they're probably not doing any work if the hatch is off. The oak tree question still remains. Looks like a few more branches have fallen off.